Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Life Captured. So in this video we are going to make DIY essential oils. So you might be wondering what are essential oils. So these are basically natural oils that are extracted from flowers and plants. The essential oils that we buy are highly concentrated and also have side effects in them. So since they're highly concentrated, you cannot take them directly and you have to substitute them in your foods or water and then take it. So instead of that, you can make them easily at your home with all the ingredients available in your home.
So for making the lemon essential oil, we are going to grate the zest of the lemon and add any oil to it. I used olive oil here. So add olive oil until it is completely immersed in it. And now indirectly heat the mixture in water until you get the smell of the lemon. Now you can remove the mixture and let it cool for some time. Now using a cloth, extract the oil from the mixture. Make sure that the particles of the mixture does not fall in the oil, because if it does, then it might spoil the oil and you won't be able to use them for long periods. After you do so, you can transfer the oil to a container and use them every day. Now let's make peppermint essential oil. For this, take some mint leaves and grind them using a mortar and pestle. Our objective here is to grind them very lightly and to not make them into a paste. So now transfer the mixture to a bowl and add 20 to 25 cloves to it. So now for the base oil, I've again used olive oil. Add olive oil till the mixture is immersed in it completely. Now heat the mixture indirectly using water. Now after it comes to a boil, and when you get the smell of the mint leaves, you can remove the mixture and cool it for some time. Now take another bowl and extract the oil from the mixture using a piece of cloth. Make sure that the particles of the mixture does not fall in the oil, because like I said, they may spoil the oil and you won't be able to use them for long periods. Now transfer the oil to a container and use them for better results.
Now that we have seen how to make these essential oils at home naturally, let's make and use them for the betterment of our body. And if you like our video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.